Today we are going to make an expert advisor using two of the most popular indicators, RSI and Heikin Ashi. We use this expert advisor to trade for 1 year. Welcome to the Trading Programmer. First, we need a strategy to build our expert advisor. We open trades using Heikin Ashi and close trades with RSI. To be more specific, we open buy trades when the Heikin Ashi posts a bull candle after a series of bear candles. We start a sell trade at the end of the first bear candle after bull candles. We close buy trades when RSI crosses below 70, and we close sell trades when RSI crosses above 30. Let's test this EA and see how it works. We try this EA in Euro-US dollar 1 hour chart with $1,000. These are the results for a 1-year period. Now let's optimize all the values, including take profit and stop loss. We optimize our values for 5 years, from 2014 to 2019. Then we use those optimized values to trade from 2019 to 2020. These are the optimized values for the 5-year period. Now let's see the results for a 1-year period. These are the results for a 1-year period. If you want to download this expert advisor, we will link it down below. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified about similar videos. Please leave a like to support the channel. Comment what indicator you want us to automate next. Thanks for watching.